Hello friends, in today's video I am sharing with you my secret tips and tricks to keep your kadai always clean and shining. This would be your kadai bright and shining when you bring it home. Do you get alarmed and worried that soon it may end up like this? Or is there any secret tip to keep it clean and neat and shiny even after using it for decades? Yeah, there is. Here in this video, I am sharing with you my secret success mantra to keep the kadai like this even after using it every day for more than 30 years. I will show you how the kadai changes colors with different uses and how we can save it from getting black and see that it will remain clean and bright years after years. When we are using the kadai for the first time, during the initial days, it starts forming a brown layer. It is here that we have to be very careful. If we don't take care during the first 10 to say 15 uses, the brown layer soon becomes very adamant and it will start getting black with every use. So painstakingly we have to wash it during the initial days very carefully. When you deep fry in your new kadai, it leaves dark marks both inside and at the bottom. If you don't take care when these dark marks are formed for the first time, it will start forming dark layers after layers, which will be very difficult to remove later. To clear this at the very first instance itself, you have to use a metallic brush like this with your usual dishwasher and clean up and wash it. Sometimes, even after one wash, a dull colored layer will remain inside. But don't get fooled by it. It is such layers, one after another, sitting on each other, that are going to form a black coat later. So it's better to wash till at least all these marks vanish completely. There is also another easy trick to care of your kadai and see that it doesn't turn black at all. Okay, this is a bit roundabout way, but the end result will be really good. You take Sabina powder in a bowl and add a few drops of water to it to form a thick paste. Coat this paste to the bottom of the kadai, especially when you are using it in initial days. Then you do your cooking. You may observe that the Sabina layer has taken most of the brunt of the heat. Now you can easily wash off the dark color along with the Sabina layer. Once it is cleaned and seasoned like this, after say about 15 to 20 washes, it gets an even color, and when you use it even for heavy cooking and frying next time, it will be very easy to wash it and the black grease won't set in. You can have a kadai for decades which is as good as the one you have bought yesterday. So go ahead friends and use these tips to keep your kadai like a new one always. It would be neighbor's envy and owner's pride.